Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. This finished building is beautiful 383 Chevy 450 horsepower turnkey engine for our customer's 1970 C10 truck. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. We started with the late model 4-bolt main block, one-piece rear main seal, brand new timing cover, new balancer, double roller timing chain, roller lifter camshaft in there, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, proper oil pan for the C10 truck, brass freeze plugs put in there. We have the Chevrolet valve covers, aluminum intake manifold, thermostat housing has the extra water coolant ports for extra sensors if needed, thermostats installed, PCV Russell heavy duty ventilation line, Holley sniper fuel injection on there, Chevrolet air cleaner, MSD ignition coil, small cap distributor, that's real important for the 1970 C10, firewall clearance right there. Proper automatic flex plate, balance and tooth count for the 383 Chevy and customer's transmission. The Holley Sniper EFI system will be completely dialed in, all the menu settings set for the customer. You'll see a video of your engine running in a stand, all the readings, manifold vacuum, oil pressure, cold and hot, water temperature. Timing will be set, ready to go. We have the real nice pulley kit on here. Alternators all set up, belt tension set, high flow water pump, power steering pumps on there, belt tensions all set, ready to go. So again, this is our 383 Chevrolet 450 horsepower turnkey package, ready to go. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.